How to delete multiple contacts in iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will show you the way as to how you can go ahead and delete multiple contacts on your iPhone. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now let's say that you have some of the contacts that you don't really need on your iPhone, but with the default contacts application provided to you by Apple, you will not be able to delete and select multiple contacts at once, because you would have to go through each of these contacts individually and delete them in that way. So how do we delete all of our contacts or multiple contacts on our iPhone at once? Well, in that case, you have to take the help of a third-party application. So I'll just open up my App Store and you have to download this application, which is called Clean Up Duplicate Contacts. Do not worry, this application is completely safe. If you don't find it safe, then you can download it, use it, and go ahead and then install it again. So in my case, I have already downloaded it. So I'll just tap on the open button over here. So as you can see, all of this. Now, before we try to delete multiple contacts, if you want to learn how you can delete and remove or merge your duplicate contacts, you can watch our other video, or you can just tap on the analyze button over here. But since we're only learning to delete multiple contacts at once, just go to the option that says contacts. You can also see the total number of contacts in the address book. Tap on it, and in order to select multiple contacts, tap on the pencil icon on the top right corner and select the contacts that you want to go ahead and delete. So as in this case, you can see you can select as many contacts as you want. There's really no limitations to it. If you want to select all, you can also go ahead and select all over here. And if you want to delete it, all you have to do is tap on the trash icon, which you see at the center bottom of the screen, which is not really visible, so I want you to look for it carefully. Tap on it over here. It'll ask you for a confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete the number of these contacts? So all you have to do is tap on this red button that says delete contacts. Now once you've deleted the contacts, there's no going back. You'll not be able to restore it if you have not saved them to your backups. And this is how you can go ahead and delete multiple contacts on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.